PARCL, another airdrop confirmed for second quarter, so probably 2-3 months left, but it will be good to join right now and just let it ride. This is not absolutely free. This will cost you whatever you have. Basically, I'm gonna put around $10 only just to play it, just to see how it develops. Takes 5 minutes literally. You would need a Solana wallet, which is a Phantom wallet, for example. Swap some Solana to USDC, which I'm gonna show you in a second, on Jupiter, and then deposit here. What is PARCL? PARCL is a project that is allowing you to basically bet on the real estate market. So as you can see, you've got like towns. When I first saw it, I wasn't sure what am I looking at, but basically you've got different towns around USA, and you can bet on it to go up, which is long, or bet on or to go down, which is short. You can see the previous statistics from the previous years, and that's it in a nutshell. If you live around those areas, or if you have some knowledge about that kind of stuff like properties market, then it might be a very good option for you. And I think because this is like a very unique project, I haven't seen any other one. Probably they exist, but I haven't seen so far like the one that you bet on market, on housing market, on properties going up or down. Maybe it will give it obviously an extra boost on hype on people joining. As you can see, the liquidity is quite high, and also they already raised 4 million, I think, or even more from Solana. Let me just quickly check here. Yeah, so basically they have already got a funding round of 11 million from this quite big company. So this is obviously very nice indeed to see, and as you can see, the liquidity is quite high as well. So let's get into it quickly. You can check the website, read about them, but it's a very cool, interesting project. As I said, you know, you can if you know your way around properties, then definitely this is something for you. So how do we get on the airdrop? We go to the app, and we'll have all these markets here, as you can see, trending down, trending up, and we've got the points as well. So all we need is go to our wallet, connect the wallet. Obviously, as usual, you've got your Phantom wallet, which if you don't have, you can install. Make sure to save the seed phrase, which are 12 words. Save it, write it down. Without it, you won't be able to access it anywhere in the future, and there are sad stories of people losing it after years and then can get back. So make sure it's somewhere safe, I don't know, with your birth certificate or something. Then you can buy Solana directly if you don't have any other way, from some exchange or something like that. You can buy directly from providers like MoonPay or Coinbase Pay. That's it. When you have Solana in your wallet already, we're gonna go to Jupiter, and I'm gonna put the links down below. Everything Solana, we need some USDC, so find it on top or somewhere here, USDC, and swap some Solana. I'm swapping around $10. Rest, leave it for the fees, which are extremely cheap on Solana, but still you have to remember that. Confirm the transaction, and you'll get some USDC coins in your wallet. Now back in PARCL, when we click on the wallet, when we connect wallet, we can deposit the money here. As you can see, you can deposit max amount. Let's say I'm gonna just do like that, the one that we just swapped. Confirm that, confirm the transactions, and we're good to go. Deposit complete, and we can go pick our market. So as you can see, you can also, I've seen here, provide liquidity. I think okay, so on Jupiter, so no, let's just go ahead and choose the market. As you can see, we have some from France, even Paris, London, and USA. I'm just gonna go, let's say, for Miami Beach. Why not? I'm gonna just go here for the lowest leverage. I don't wanna overexpose myself. Maybe something like the amount that I put in, something, because you can leverage this thing, and I'm not sure that's recommended. Obviously you can lose more, so let me just do it like that with small leverage. That's why I put small amounts to play with it, but still I'm not gonna put the slider all to the right if I don't see how it works. So for now I'm gonna put it like that, and on top of it then I'll come back probably in a week or something, or a couple of days, see how it goes. obviously always save this, all these projects that we are doing, save it in your bookmarks. Make sure you don't forget, you know, I've got already a lot of them, so just want to save it and come back to each of them and obviously check what's going on. So this is it. We have deposited. All they want basically is people to come, see the project, interact with it, and see how it goes. So that's it. All you have to do is that. And on top of it, if you wanna go and multiply your points, then in here I'll put the link down below as well, or if you click on the referrals, if you put my code here, FFF, then that would be helpful for both of us. Thank you in advance. By referring, earns you a 5% boost, points boost forever. So if you want another boost with your points as well, then obviously that's very helpful. And as you can see here, the points season 2, and this is where the airdrop will be from. Very cool stuff. Make sure you understand the risks, but $10 is worth the risk just to have a try and maybe get some decent airdrop when it launches, as it's poised to become a very, very popular project. So thank you guys for watching.